famous na invited to the
So far, wala pa po. We're just concentrating on the 7.
So, in the future po ba mas madadagdagan yung mga mai-income or mai-extract sa Hall of Fame? Kasi mukhang more on quality than quantity on today's industry.
Yes po. Actually, there are very many, like, each period, we have at least 57 to 60 to 70s na mga nominees, no? Pero the present screening committee only choose 7. During the other enshrinements, we had 10 enshrinees. Those 10 are also very, very well chosen po talaga. Out of the 70, they took 10 from each. Ngayon lang po tayo nag-7. And of course, we cannot question the wisdom of the selection committee. If they believe that those who were given out and those who were evaluated would only, 7 would only deserve. Meron naman po tayong chance for others who have not been chosen because carried over po yung ating mga nominations. And the Secretariat has the data bank for that. So, ngayon po, umabot po tayo ng 70, but actually meron na tayong mga 32 na naiwan sa previous data bank. And we would just like also to call on everyone na naging known na rin itong Hall of Fame enshrinement na para mas marami pa po ang mga participate. And we've been doing that through our releases din naman po sa tulong po ng ating media.
Update, follow-up lang, yung mga previous nominees na hindi na-enshrine, pwede pa silang ma-nominate in the future?
Yes, sir. Actually, yung previous nominees, nasa data bank na po natin yun. So, pag-open natin ng, let's say, this year, kasama na po yung mga naiwan before.
Okay. Again, just to make some slight corrections with our esteemed colleagues, because June 19 and not June 20 ang magiging enshrinement lamang po. This coming Saturday. 20 ba?
That's
20 ba?
June 20.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Am I correct? I understand to be correct. Ma'am Pete, since you said that there might be some amendments to be passed for the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame law. So, kasi sabi niya nga, some sports managers, some sports personalities that would fall under the coaches, trainers, and athletes. Kailan kaya magsisimula the legislative process for?
Well, sir, that would depend on Congress. Kasi di ba, it would take siguro consultations, and then it would also take gaano kabilis yung reading ng bills, yung passing ng bills, because it has to pass 3 readings pa. So, we really cannot say kung kailan, pero ang alam ko si Congressman Lee has been very passionate in doing this.
Okay.
But I don't like to preempt naman po. No? These are just what we have heard and what we have been informed.
So, last question before I go to our esteemed colleague, Mr. Edmund, sports historian. Yung last batch was from what year to what year?
1964 to 1974, I think.
So, yung
Because
cut-off ng 74.
10 years. 1964 to 1974.
Yes. Meron po 6 questions or comment?
Good morning.